Hello everyone. Today we will study about low sedimentary coast. Before starting our today topic, don't forget to like a video and subscribe my channel. So, along low sedimentary coast, the rivers appear to extend their length by building coastal plains and deltas. The coastline appears smooth with occasional incursion of water in form of lagoons and tidal creeks. The land slopes gently into the water. Marshes and swamps may abound along coast. Depositional features dominate. Now, when wave breaks over gently sloping sedimentary coast, the bottom sediment gets crunched and move readily, building bars, barriers, spits, and lagoons. When a wave breaks over gently sloping rocks or a coast, then it forms bars, barriers, spits, and lagoons. Lagoons which eventually turn into a swamp, which would subsequently turn into swamp, which would turn into a coastal plain. So west coast is high rocky and east coast is low sedimentary. This is important point. The maintenance of these depositional features depend upon steady supply of material. So this is the importance of a low sedimentary rocks in our coastal areas. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.